All right, all the stuff that comes out of your blue bins, well, it all winds up here at RRR Recycling Plant at Campbell Industrial Park. And that is just one load here. This is an operation or a business done by these gentlemen over here, Reno and Dominic Enriquez, a family business over here. So about how many truckloads come in here on a given day, you figure?
We get about 20 to 25 trucks a day. Roughly about 80 tons a day. 80 tons. Yeah.
So explain how this works. When it all comes in, it's all one big mess of plastics and cardboard, newspapers, and it all starts here.
Yeah, we get the cardboard, the newspaper, HDPE, PET, we have aluminum, we have the cat food cans, and then we have glass and some trash as well.
The whole process of because it has to all be separated out. Of course, we're going to get into that. But is that kind of one of the biggest challenges in doing something like this?
Well, we brought in a new sorting system here just within the past couple of months, so it's really helped us be a lot more efficient on the segregation of the material. So the machine will do majority of the work, about 75% of the segregation the machine does, and manual the rest of it.
What's the biggest mistake people make in what they put in their blue bin?
The trash is the biggest part, which is phone books. We don't do very well with phone books because of the new machine. Bagging materials, because the guys have to rip open the bags.
Bagging materials as in garbage bags you're talking about, or even the little grocery bags?
Grocery bags, garbage bags, even the bags around your newspaper, any of that is, the guys have to get their hands into it to rip it open, and they don't know what's inside of there. And it actually slows down the process because as we'll go up, the line moves really quickly. But confetti, small paper, confetti paper, the shredded paper, it's not good. It all ends up in our glass, and it's really hard to remove that kind of material. Anything big like water hoses, they get tangled up, and larger plastic, heavy, big steel, brake rotors, things like that. We don't recycle that.
Yeah, you'd be surprised that everybody throws in there. You're gonna find out. You're gonna be our official bag ripper on the first roll with her. That's the hardest job. And I see you got a beautiful shirt on today.
I can't wait. All right. All right, well, yeah, it makes you think twice about what you're putting in those blue bins. So certainly an educational part of what we're doing here is to show you what happens to all the recyclables. We'll be right back.
Yeah, the machine is fucking. When we first started off,